Hi there and welcome. We're very happy to announce that one of the top feature requests is making its way to the next Opus One update, and that is keyboard shortcuts. Join me while I show you the new list of shortcuts that are going to make your planning even more time efficient. First, we have the ones on calendar. You can consult a full list of them under Planner Tools and have them over here. First, if we want to go to the next day, we hit Control Command arrow to your right. And if you want to go to the previous day, we hit Control Command arrow to your left. Now, for next month, it's Control Command Shift and arrow to your right. And for previous month, it goes Control Command Shift arrow to your left. For the next year, it's Control Option Shift arrow to your right, and for previous year, Control Option Shift Command arrow to your left. Now, if you want to go back to a present day, we use Control Command T and voila, we're on the present day. And now for daily task. We set ourselves on this list and hit Command N, and we easily create a new task. If you want to go back and edit a certain task, you just select it over the list and hit Return, and that will prompt this menu. And if after all you don't want this task anymore, you hit Command Delete and it's gone. And last but not least, for the notes. We're going to create a new sentence over here and select it. Now, hitting Command T gives us a full list of the available fonts for daily notes, so we can easily change to a different one. If you want to make it bold, you hit Command P, I for italics, and U for underline. If you want to make it bigger, you hit Command plus, or if you want to make the font smaller, you hit Command less. And to display the full list of available colors for daily notes, we use Command Shift C, and we can select for the full list of colors that the notes offer us. But what happens if we want to go back to a certain style? Well, we can copy the full style of another sentence using Option Command C and paste it on a new one with Option Command V. Voila!